Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Breville Barista espresso machine. It comes to us with there was no water coming out from the group head here. So when I tested the machine, I found out this solenoid valve simply was broken, and here's the signs of leak. You can see it clear, and it was leaking everywhere. So I just replace it and make a tune-up for the machine, replace the group head gasket and many of those, you see these small O-rings here to prevent that leak from happening again, and to clean it from the minerals inside the boiler and all around the hoses. And after that, with the new solenoid assembly, I got faced issue with that board. I noticed the board was not working fine, so I just replace it. Here's the old one, and here's the small wires from the rewiring for the new one when I installed the new one. So let's go ahead and test it, make espresso shot on it, and also I just clean and calibrate the grinder, give it deep cleaning, and the steam one also get cleaned, even the portafilter get deep cleaning. It's not the best beans, but it's just for testing. Just pull some water from the good head. Just reinfusion. So there we go. So if you want more pressure, you just need to make it finer from here. You're supposed to put it on 6. Or reprogram it from here, and when you get the right amount, you just that's perfect shot. Look at that, it's 3 layers of coffee with really thick crema. So let's test the hot water. That works also, and the steamer. That works great, so the machine functioning perfect. Thank you for watching.